Dude, I've had so many phone calls today.
Sick.
Oh, jeez.
Is that your phone?
Yeah, probably.
No, your phone. Your phone!
Oh, actually. After Midnight Plumbing? Yeah. Are you stuck? Yeah. It's not urgent, is it? Oh, it is? How long? No, you. You know I'm an After Midnight Plumber, right? Okay. As long as we're aware of that.
Is that a flip phone?
Oh, dude, I would never get a smartphone. For me, they're a thing in the past. I'm a numbers guy. I like the T9 and the 69. For me, it's flip phone or no phone. Oh. Afternoon plumbing? Yeah, no, it's good afternoon plumbing. Always a good rate. For you. Hello? Yeah, Friday evening plumbing. Well, actually, I will be able to make it today or this afternoon or this evening. No, I'm gonna make it this afternoon for sure. It won't be the evening. What? No, it won't be the afternoon, will it? I want it the evening. After midnight plumbing, afternoon plumbing. Yeah, no, I'm completely free this afternoon. After midnight plumbing. Oh no, I'm not available tonight. Yes, I am. Yeah. Oh, you need how long? How long? No, you. Do you have any plungers? Do I need to bring a plunger? It's afternoon plumbing. No. I just want to be a midnight plumber.
One man, one decision. Critics are calling it sensational.
Be a midnight plumber. All right, sounds like a date.